So for the grinding attachment I have two options. Of course the first one is the Dremel with a shaft, an extension. This we can mount on top of that and somehow make it in here. I don't quite like it because there is a button here which you should be able to reach. So it is a possibility, but it's not optimal. The other possibility is an old dentist drill or mill, whatever you would call it. It has a shaft. I will zoom it out. Zoom it out, yes. It has a shaft with a chuck. The chuck has two sizes, 3 or 6 millimeters. It has not the choice of the Dremel chuck, because that has a lot of possibilities, a lot of sizes. At the other hand, this is easy. It has 22 millimeter diameter, and it is easy to insert in the part. I may use this one. I'm not sure yet. With 3000 RPM. Spring cut. I don't have to use parallels because the part is large enough. Check for, yes. Yes. Perfect. So, deburring. Nice, smooth. Checking it. Rectangular, no light, no light, no light, no light. Good. Yeah. This is great. So, done. Zero. Zero. So I have to drill a hole of 10 millimeter, but I start with 9.8, then 9.9, and then 10. I'll give it 1000 RPM. I don't use oil or anything else because I don't like it. I don't like the slurry. But I do some back drilling here to release the chips. Cuts nicely. And this is going to be 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter. Give it one more go. Okay. Okay, gonna make a 0. It's got to be 6. That's my 0. DRO. Okay, so I turned it over, I flipped it over, and I have a mill of 20 millimeters now. It has got to have a depth of 1 centimeter. Just checking it. Okay, so the Toolpost grinder is going to be in place of the Toolpost. And it turned out to be quite nice actually. So it's in place of the Toolpost, and the first few steps are taken. Next, of course, we have to make a hole for the grinder. So I'm through. This is 5 millimeter for the 6 millimeter tap. The second one is 6 millimeters, but that will only go in halfway. And the upper part will not be threaded. 0. This is a 0. So I will only go down 3 centimeters, 30 millimeters. Back to the 0 point. Yes. There you are. Now we'll make a recess for the head, the cylindrical head. It's only got to go 6/10 of a millimeter deep. I mean, it's 6 millimeters deep. Right. First stage. Let's see what happens. Let's see. So. Okay, I grabbed the tool because it's not going with the chuck. Now I will take the second stage. Try. Yeah. Not really. We should not break a tap. Must be careful. Okay, it's been drilled and tapped and milled. And I'm going to check the bolts. And so this is M6 and it's been tapped M6 ISO standard thread. And it feels real nice, smooth. And yeah, I like it. Good. I'm happy. What I like to do now is to chamfer or give it a rounding with profile mill. It's a wood mill, but it should work on aluminium. I like the rounded faces. It gives me an old school. Oh my dear. Ta-da, it doesn't fit. Okay. Let me do this one. As I was saying. This is perfectly all right. Of course, I have to find the center, and the milling attachment will go in here, the grinder. I have to find the exact center height, of course, and I did that by scraping with the dead center of the tailstock in the aluminium part here. This is well fixed, so when I use it, this one will be exactly in this spot, and now I have a good center height. I will drill a hole through from here to here, and that will be 22 millimeters, 2.2 centimeters, a little less than an inch. Drilling the hole. Sorry. So this is the center height. This is the middle between those. Should be okay. There we go. So because the rotary saw blade did not work, we use old-fashioned elbow grease. There you are. Okay, we are through. And it's a nice slit of about 1 millimeter. So basically everything is done. I have to deburr it now and to chamfer it. Three-sided file. Also for the inside. Toolpost has a click system, and if you look at it, it is a nasty little, how do you call it? A sprung sharp thing. This is it. There is a spring inside there, and you see here, I'm not sure if it's in focus, but you can see here the 4 places where it, and you can see maybe that there is, it scratches the plate. Okay, now my part is aluminium, and as you can see, it also has a scratch, a round scratch caused by this thing. I don't like this. Of course I can remove it all the way, but maybe that will interfere with the working of this. I'm not sure if I like this. Frankly, I think I just take it out. I don't like it. That's the most simple solution. Here is the spring. I will keep them. I'll keep them, but I'm not going to use it. So it's time to try it. I made a discovery that I made a mistake because I did not have any knowledge of the material. This is aluminium and it does not have spring quality. As I fasten it, hardly giving in, maybe nothing. So I cannot clamp. This has to be made from steel and not from aluminium. Lesson learned. So, Frau Angela Merkel from Germany would say, wir schaffen es. We can make it. So, not sure if she meant this, but hey. So I have 2 parts that will clamp together, hold together, axle of the grinder, the extension set. It's gonna work. Okay. Let's see what we got here. I deburred it. chamfered it a little bit with a file. So I saw it through completely. Now the grinder attachment will be held perfectly. I have 3 points to fix it. As fixed as it ever will be. This is not going anywhere soon. I'm a happy man. The Toolpost grinder attachment part is functional, I say. So just for the fun of it, we make a close-up. And